Hey, hello hackers. Welcome to the Hacker Show, and you are watching Hacker Associate broadcast. Thank you for joining this particular channel. And here we are going to discuss about Automated SSRF Scanner Pro. So in this section, we are going to learn about the features of this particular framework. Okay. So first, you need to go to this application called blackhattraining.com. And this is a page called Automated SSRF Scanner. You can simple, click it here and download the particular mind map. Okay, just like that. In the previous section, I already discussed about it. Okay, and under the resources section, how you can download this particular mind map, right? So once you download the mind map, okay, you can simple open it up. Okay, this is the PDF, and let's deep dive okay into this particular framework. What are the features okay we are getting under this particular framework? So this is advanced SSRF plus blind scanner pro, and what we can do with this. So example, let's say you are working on cloud environment like AWS, Azure, GCP. So let me start presentation for you. So this is the presentation, and here I want to start. You can see if you're working on cloud stuff and specifically working on AWS, Azure, GCP, DigitalOcean, etc., and you hosted anything there okay under this particular platform, then this particular framework is excellent for you. Okay, so it's going to scan the cloud endpoint. This is the second check. So you can see in cloud hundreds of services are there, right? Even if you combine all AWS, Azure, GCP, you can see tons of services are there. So we need some kind of automation to identify the thing, and also it can also bypass the web. Okay, so I have written okay the tool in that manner, so it is very intelligent, which I'm going to come under this area. This is the second features. If you see, intelligent payload injection. The first feature is cloud API scanning. Second feature is intelligent payload injection. What do you mean by intelligent payload injection? So when you talk about this, it is basically designed for real world attack scenarios, and I created okay for web bypass. So I also teach cloud penetration testing. You can also check the program directly under our website, which is here hackerasa.com, and you can check our course called offensive cloud penetration testing. So here okay under this particular program okay we do lot of live areas, and we will going to test it okay the bugs and everything in a proper manner. There is automation. Okay, so I want to give you the feature about this tool. I'm not want to discuss about cloud pen testing. I just want to discuss only one thing. Okay, like when you go to the cloud environment or any kind of API environment where you will see lot of API, lot of cloud endpoint. In that case, you need some kind of bots which will work for you. So in my case, I have written that bot, so it have okay certain checks. So when you scan the certain endpoints, and you will get all the report okay directly to your burp panel. Okay, so I'm going to explain what are the checks okay like are available okay under this intelligent payload, and how we are going to receive that output. Okay, so there are a lot of things okay under SSR, right? Out of band, DNS, HTTP, there are many things, SMTP. So all this part okay we will be learning okay in our next part. So next video basically I'm going to record on live endpoint analysis. Okay, so we'll be going to focus on live endpoint, and I'm going to take one live application, and I'm going to broadcast. I'm going to show you like how easy it is to identify vulnerability with this particular framework. So that is called, this is basically the meaning of intelligent payload system. Third section we have here called bug bounty program. So maybe if you are part of bug bounty, or maybe you're going to start okay here, right? Specifically for bug bounty things, in this case okay like we can increase the chances of earning high rewards okay and identify vulnerability very quickly okay if you are part of this bug bounty. The fourth check okay we have is called extensive logging. This is basically my favorite part. So whatever you going to scan it, okay, we need an output like what parameters are vulnerable, what endpoints are vulnerable, in a specific endpoint or a specific parameter what exactly it is, like what response we are receiving. So each and every information okay you will receive under this logging feature. So offer comprehensive logging of all scanning activities and allow user to track the scanning process. So this is everything to you. Okay, I am not processing any data from my end. Okay, you just setting up the particular framework, and everything will come to you okay in your burp panel. Okay, that is exactly the meaning of extensive logging. This is a great capability. It is good for report writing process. Then we have a mobile API assessment. So this is specifically for mobile area. So we also have a program here. If you go to hackerasa.com and if you simply check it, offensive mobile penetration testing, here you can see this is basically the program. You can simply click it here, and learn more about it. This is again 50 plus hours of live training, okay, we are providing. So here what we find it, okay, like when you scan the endpoint, okay, like you will see lot of stuff, okay, like because when you talk about mobile API, there are a lot of things. Okay, so we will perform a static analysis, dynamic analysis, we'll take a live phone, live applications, and a lot of things, okay, we are going to analyze, okay, from our end. So again, if you are scanning the mobile endpoint, this is again the great framework, okay, you will identify the things very quickly, and you can see mobile every day we are using. Even if you are in the IoT system, like we need a mobile phone, it means the application will be there, okay, on mobile phone, and we are interacting to the devices, right? If you are, even if you are in SCADA system, there are some kind of HMI devices are available. There are many things, okay, you can see, like you need to understand the architecture, what exactly you are going to test it. But again, this also scan mobile API endpoint, okay. So if you have any issues, any problem, like for understanding, you can directly take a free live call, okay, with me, and you can ask your question anything, okay. So generally every month I will be there, okay, on LinkedIn live events, so you can ask this question, okay, anytime there, or you can personally DM me regarding this. Next part is user friendly interfaces. So I designed this particular framework, okay, only for one thing. It means I thought, okay, I can create a exe application, I can also create a DMG application like for Mac user. So what I thought is, maybe you guys, okay, I think using a Burp professional version, right? Every time when you start penetration test, like even it is a cloud web, whatever. So in that case, I thought, okay, like maybe I will give you one framework so you can seamlessly integrate, okay, to the Burp, and you can directly use all the functionality directly from the Burp. So that reason I created, okay, Burp extensions, okay. So it's going to seamlessly integrate with the Burp Suite, and also it have an intuitive context menu. That's all for this section. I hope you got an idea. You can see excellent features bundled, okay, under $27. So right now order it, check it, and analyze the things. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm going to see you, okay, in the next video. Next video is interesting. We are going to take one live endpoint, and we will be going to analyze it and identify the vulnerability quickly, and in 10 seconds I'm going to identify vulnerability. So wait for the next video session, and thank you again. Thank you for your support. Have a great day. See you soon, okay, in our next episode.